I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. Stop using double negatives in English. Who banned double negatives in English? One powerful man. In this video, I'll tell you who he was. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do anything. He don't know nothing. Wrong. He doesn't know anything. We aren't going nowhere. We aren't going anywhere. You don't have none. You don't have any. We didn't have nothing to eat. We didn't have anything to eat. He don't have no good education. He doesn't have a good education. You can't prove nothing. You can't prove anything. I can't find my keys nowhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. Joan doesn't never call me. Joan doesn't ever call me. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now.
Shout out to all my friends in India, in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Gujarat. Hello, India. I haven't never heard that song. I haven't ever heard that song. We won't do nothing tonight. We won't do anything tonight. Sam don't never study. Sam doesn't ever study. John never told his wife nothing. John never told his wife anything. The kids don't ever listen. The kids don't ever listen. I can't have none of these. I can't have any of these. I don't know no French. I don't know any French. We won't never be late again. We won't ever be late again. You never eat enough of nothing. You never eat enough of anything. Steve don't have no money. Steve doesn't have any money. Nobody never has none. Nobody ever has anything. Who banned double negatives in English? One powerful man named Robert Loth in the 18th century decided that double negatives had no place in English grammar. Robert Loth was an Oxford professor of English and a bishop in the Church of England. English speakers have been using double negatives for centuries. The first English translation of the Bible of King James used double negatives. William Shakespeare even used triple negatives in his play Richard III. Shakespeare wrote, "I never was, nor never will be." Double negatives are wrong. Don't use them.